Every morning starts the same. The sun peeks through the curtains, and Max, our fluffy golden retriever, wakes up with that infectious wagging tail. He trots into the kitchen, nudging my side for a hug, and I can't help but laugh. It's like he knows he's the glue that holds us together. Throughout the day, he's right by our side, helping pick up toys, racing in the backyard, and just watching us with those kind eyes. Playing catch with him is pure joy, and when we cuddle on the couch, I feel so lucky. At night, he lies across our feet, and we whisper how much we love him. Max isn't just a dog, he's our loyal friend, always thinking of ways to make us smile.